All right, motion, we're talking about a particle moving in a straight line. We ignore friction, gravity, and any other influences. We just look at speed, acceleration, and displacement, which is distance. So, displacement is an equation or an expression given in terms of x, or in terms of t, x equals something in terms of t. So x might equal 2t plus 1, and that will tell you where it is from the origin. Because we're talking about a vector which has direction and magnitude, a negative tells you it's in the opposite direction. Velocity is the rate of change of acceleration of displacement, so dx dt equals velocity. And we know that when it says at rest, velocity is 0. We know that if it's negative, it's slowing down. And if it's negative, it's moving to the left. And if it's positive, it's moving to the right. Acceleration is the change in velocity, or the second derivative of displacement. It is in meters per second squared. If it is a negative, it's slowing down. If it is a positive, it's speeding up. An object with constant velocity has no acceleration. So let's have a look at these motion graphs. It says it's a graph of displacement, sketch velocity. Right. If displacement is a minus t squared number, because it's a downwards, then velocity is the change in distance over time, is a straight line. Negative straight line. And the acceleration is a negative constant. So if I was to draw them better, we've got this. I know that this is the turning point, so that's where the first derivative equals 0. So it's going to be something that looks like this. This is a straight line. Okay, this is velocity. The graph above shows velocity over time. When is the particle at rest? The start, T2, T4 and T6. When is the acceleration 0? Well, when is the derivative? The first derivative is acceleration, and we know that that's here, here and here. When is velocity the greatest? When is velocity the greatest? Well, it's here and here, because it's furthest away, because this is a velocity graph. Describe the motion of the particle at T2. It's at rest, because the velocity is 0. And at T3, it is at constant speed, because acceleration's at 0.